Gentlemen, I need you to do something for me. Take your hand, grab your nuts, scream! Ah! 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 Now, you're ready. Confidence. It's all about confidence. If you feel good about yourself, you feel good about the person you see looking back at you in the mirror, every single aspect of your life gets better. The truth is, I have not always been a confident dude. There was a lot of my life that I was very insecure, I was very shy, I was timid. Good news is that confidence is something you can build, it's something you can develop, and it all starts with subscribing to AlphaM and giving this video a big thumbs up. Now that that's out of the way, today I'm going to go over 10 things that confident men never, under any circumstances, do. Number 1, confident men never bully or put other people down. Bullies are typically insecure people, and what they do is they try to push other people around to make themselves feel better. It's like if they're stronger, if they can talk down to somebody, they're gonna do it because in their head they're like, yo, this makes me feel better. I'm the man. I am superior to them. When you're confident, you try to help. You try to lift people up and inspire them. Second thing confident men never do is they don't brag. Confident men aren't taking shirtless selfies. They're not posting pictures of themselves with chicks in bikinis. It's not what they do because confident men don't need to. They don't need to brag and tell people how much money, how amazing they are because everybody else already knows they're dope as shit. Bring us to number 3. Confident men don't constantly need validation from other people about how good they are, how amazing, how pretty, how handsome, how sexy. Confident men are self-assured and they're comfortable in their own skin. They're well moisturized and super sexy skin. Bringing us to number 4. Confident men don't not use Tiege handling. I don't need skincare. Skincare's for chicks, says dudes that are going to look wrinkled, old, and insecure. Confident men aren't afraid to take care of their face, and they know that it's good for them. They don't need permission. They're like, yo, if I want to use a moisturizer and possibly an eye cream, I'm gonna do it. What has 2 thumbs and amazing skin? This guy. How about you? I know you got the thumbs, but do you have the Hanley? Tiege Hanley? If not, guys, there's a link down below. The other reason why you should start taking care of your skin, whether or not you use Tiege Hanley or another subpar, inferior skincare product, is that when you take care of your skin, you feel better about yourself. Your skin looks better. One of the things that I never get tired of hearing is guys that start Tiege Hanley and send us an email saying, yo, I started using Tiege and right away my skin looked incredible. If you want to look better, you want to look good now, you want to look good in years from now, you want to be confident about your appearance, you got to start taking care of it. Guys, there's a link down below to Tiege Hanley. We got 3 different levels of 1, level 2, level 3. We've got acne, level 1, level 2. Go and take the quiz. It's going to tell you what skincare system is going to be best and right for you. Also, if you hit that link, there's a super special AlphaM confident discount that will give you any Tiege Hanley system at an amazing price. What are you waiting for? All I'm saying is that you could be more handsome. Don't be mad. Don't get all like freaking out because that's actually number 5. The 5th thing that confident men don't do, they're not overly sensitive. Confident men can take constructive criticism. Now, this doesn't mean that criticism is fun to hear because criticism is never fun, but they understand that some criticism is actually designed to benefit them. They hear it, they listen, they apply it. I'm sorry, okay? I didn't mean it. You're amazingly handsome just the way you are. I'm sorry, don't be mad at me. What I did there, acting all insecure, apologizing all the time, I'm not sorry at all. You could be better looking, but the 6th thing that confident men don't do, they don't always apologize. This is something that I struggle with, even today. Like, I'm a people pleaser. I never want anybody to be upset with me. I never want anybody to be mad at me. I'm always apologizing, even when things aren't necessarily my fault, just so that they're not mad. Whenever I find myself apologizing for things that I didn't do wrong or that's not my fault, I know that that's my insecurity, like wanting to creep out, and I gotta harness it. I gotta grab it and push that shit back down. The 7th thing that confident men don't do, they don't wait for life to happen. They go out and grab it. Confident men know that success, the only way they're gonna get it if they make it happen. We are in control of our own destiny, and this is something that confident men totally understand. Did you see what Antonio was wearing in that last RMRS video? See what I just did there? I was gossiping about my boy, Antonio Centeno. Confident men don't gossip or talk shit, which is number 8. Confident men are like, yo, seriously? Like, I don't have time to hear about that nonsense. nonsense. I'm too busy kicking life's ass. Ninth thing that confident men don't do is they don't avoid eye contact. It's a birthmark. Eye contact. Confident men know that it is important. It is critical. It's imperative to make eye contact with other people when you're talking to them. Because when you're not, it makes you look timid, it makes you look scared, it makes you look weak. And last, but certainly not least, the 10th thing that confident men do not do is they don't stalk people on social media. I'm just saying, word on the street is that you're a little bit of a creeper at times. Hey, I'm talking, you're like, yo, Alpha caught me, oh my God, he saw me creeping on Brenda and Sheila and definitely Janice.